Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments, for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Yes guys, so for today's video we are going to be talking about skincare. Yes, I know some of you will be wondering that she's saying skincare and she already had makeup on. I don't have anything on my skin right now. You all have seen me without makeup before, so I don't have anything to hide. It's the only reason why my eyelids are made up and my brows are done is because I'll be going from this video to another one. So that's why I wanted to get this out of the way. You all can tell it's very simple look I made and nothing serious. So on my face I have nothing on my face, like my skin is bare. Like I only washed my face with Dudoso, the soap that I already told you guys over and over and over again. That's what I used to wash my face, so nothing else there. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's jump right into today's video. So today we're going to be unboxing this box that was sent to me by Influenster, and inside the box I have this magic serum by Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know if I pronounced that name right. Please don't come for me in the comment section down below, please. I'm not sure because this is I find out it's a British company and the name too, but I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right. But I'm gonna be unboxing and we're gonna be using this skincare as well on the camera to give you guys my first impression about it. Normally for skincare you have to use it over and over in order for you to be able to know if it's working or not. That's why I decided to do first impression like on my skin and see how it feels, and I'll be able to tell you guys if you actually want it or not. This is the free gift that was sent to me by Influencer, so I'll be opening the box like I said, and we're going to be using it as well. At the same time I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what this can do for your skin. In the package that was sent to me, I don't only have the serum inside of it. I have also a sample of the moisturizer, which I'm super excited at the same time, because I don't see the reason why I will use a serum and I will not be able to use a moisturizer that comes in the same product line, I mean the same company. That's the way I go by my skincare. Like I use Estee Lauder serum, which is my #1 anytime any day, but I'm going to try this and see how this works too. Okay, so if I use Estee Lauder serum, I really want to use Estee Lauder moisturizer afterwards. I'm really glad that this company, they sent a serum and also a moisturizer, so I'm super excited to share this with you. I'll be talking about the moisturizer that was sent. It says Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. So this moisturizer is what you can use right after you put on your serum. You apply the moisturizer on your serum. You know, just wait a couple of minutes, you know, not too long, maybe a couple of minutes, then you put in the moisturizer. So now we go for the star of the day, which is the serum. And what the serum can do for you, it reduces the appearance of wrinkles by 94% and firm the appearance of skin by 49%. Result observed. They said it that the result was observed in a clinical study. Over 90% of users saw skin appears firmer, pore appear tighter and more refined. Facial contour appear lifted. Lines and wrinkles appear reduced. Skin feels intensely hydrated, and which I think is the best thing we need at this time of the year. Yes, as in I feel like I myself, I don't know about any other person, I feel like my skin has been getting dry more. I don't know why, but I'm sure as in I don't know why, but I keep doing my skincare anyway, and I drink a lot of water at the same time. But I just feel like the more we age, the more you have to step up your game when it comes to your skincare. because the kind of vibrant, oily or combination skin that you had when you were much more younger, the more you age, all those things are going to be going into there, you know, with whatever aging process that is going through your body. So you need to kind of step up your game when it comes to your skincare as you age as well. This serum is a magic serum. It has a infused crystal in it. 93% agree skin looks younger. That was after their clinical study, I guess. 93% of people feels their skin looks younger. So it's a 30 ml. How much is sold or retail for right now, but I'll put the price on the screen for you guys to know. The serum is a serum for glowing, hydrated, youthful looking skin. Alright guys, so we are gonna go into putting it on the face and let's see how it feels. This is my first impression. I don't want to waste too much of time, so let's jump right into it. And this is the serum. I'm sure you all have seen it before in this video, but right here in my hand, that's what I have. So I thought my camera was shooting, but unfortunately it wasn't. Okay, this is the moisturizer, this is the serum. I'm sure you all have seen it. So I applied a little bit of that here and there, so I'm just gonna go in and massage it into my skin. Oh my goodness, it feels so, it's silky. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. It's silky. It goes in smoothly into my skin. Look at that. You all saw my skin before, and this is applying it. Wow. So I'm just gonna let it sit maybe for like say 3 minutes thereabout or 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and we'll talk about the moisturizer that we're gonna put on top of it. Then I'm gonna give you my impression. Like seriously, I can even give you an impression right now because my skin feel hydrated. I'm not gonna lie. And of course, you all can see just the moisturizer, just the serum already on my face. The glow is there already. So just imagine using this consistently, like continuously. Of course, I believe it's going to do what they said it has been doing from the clinical study, that 93% of people agreed to see younger looking skin. See? Yeah, let me wait for like 3 minutes, then I'll be back to put on the moisturizer. Then we wrap up this video. Alright, so guys, this is 3 minutes after, and I already gave you my first impression about it, but I'm still going to talk a little bit about it because I really like how it gives me that glow. You can see it's just the serum. I have just the serum on my face, and I can tell I feel the hydration. My skin doesn't feel tight anymore. It doesn't feel dry anymore. It has the amount of hydration that I needed. This is first impression, okay? I believe when you keep using it consistently, you will see that youthful, glowing, younger looking skin. Yes, and it applies smoothly, like very silky, and it goes in straight right after I applied it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm loving it already. I'm just gonna have to, I don't want to mix it up with my current serum, and I've been using Estee Lauder serum for a very long time, so I know the feel of that. So I'm gonna put that aside for now and start using this one to the last drop, like to the last drop. When it's done and I see how I feel, of course I will let you guys know. Anyway, that's how it is. So we're going to be using the moisturizer. This is a sampler of moisturizer that is sent, and this is called turnaround moisturizer, instant turnaround moisturizer. So I'm going to be applying that on the serum. It doesn't really have any kind of scent, like it's not strong. Like I feel like even if you have sensitive skin, that you might be able to use this one because there's nothing strong about the smell. Because when a cream or a perfume or any kind of skincare has a lot of strong scents, then probably it will react to your skin if you have sensitive skin. But with this, I think everybody should be fine to try this. I love, oh my god, the feels, guys, it feels so silky. That's just the word I can use for both the serum and the cream. Like very silky, very creamy. Like, oh wow. Let me just go ahead and put some on my face, then we wrap up this. Like, oh wow, this is so amazing. Like I said, normally I always put on my neck too, but because of the style of the top I'm wearing at this moment, I'm just gonna let that pass, and other time that I'll be using it, of course. Oh wow, it feels so good, silky, creamy, like I love it. Yes guys, so here is my final thoughts. The serum and the moisturizer, I love it. The moisturizer is just a plus that they put in this package. The star of the show is the magic serum that is infused with crystal by Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, and I'll tell you guys my final thought is like I love it. I have the hydration, I have the glow which it claims, and with consistent use you will see 93% of people agree to see younger looking skin. So I love it, and this is it guys, and that's all I have on my face. So yeah, and that's it. It's my first impression. I'll keep using it, and with time I will come back and let you guys know how I'm loving it, and if it doesn't work for me afterwards, I will let you guys know. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything for you. Okay, I always say this is my review and I want it to be like, you know, let it be perfect so that people will not waste their money, because I know things like this, you look at the brand, the packaging already, they will be expensive. I don't know how much it is. I'll put it on the screen, but I wouldn't want to come and give you wrong impression about it because I receive it free, or and I want to get more products, then I'll come and give you wrong impression, then you buy and you waste your money. No, I will tell you if they are good, if they are not. But at this time, my first impression, I have what they said it, I mean, I could feel what it claims it does. Like, it gives me that hydration and the glow, and I believe with consistent use, that's my belief for now, right now, that you have that younger glowy, youthful look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave me comments in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe if you haven't, and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.